Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 26th, 2020, and I'm going to show you today how to separate your seedlings out of flats. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I moved my flat here out from under the one shelf, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little shovel here. Now you can use a little spoon if you choose to. Normally I like to separate my seedlings when they're smaller, but unfortunately I was unable to do that with these. So I'm just going to scoop this out here. And you can see the roots are right here. So I have my little tray here, and I'm going to put them in a little 4-pack here. It's about, it's one of the bigger 4-packs. It's not one of the real small ones, but it's not one of the real big ones. It's kind of medium-sized. And I have it filled up with my my potting mix. And I'm just going to take and I'm going to just push this in to the soil here. And I already have this labeled. I'll have links down in the description for the tags that I use, because it's important to label your seedlings. Now, here, you'll see these are very close together. And that's what happens when you put your seeds fall too close together. So I'm gently just separating these apart here. And if there's something that I can't get apart, then what I'll do is I'll just plant them together. Now this is a perennial, and it does form a clump, and then you can just separate them out later when they get larger. You can see the roots there. Last one here, or this one here. Okay, so now all this needs now is a nice good drink of water. A little bit more soil here on top there. Give this a drink of water here. And that's how I transplant my seedlings out of flats. Now it is much easier to transplant them when they're just little. And these here, like I said, they just got a little bigger on me. And I will water this till water runs out the bottom. And I'll put it on one of the shelves, and they'll establish themselves. Then they are going to go through a transplant shock because of being transplanted, but they'll recover and should grow very nicely for me. Sometimes you will lose a few of them. It's rare when you do, but like the roots could have gotten too damaged or something like that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!